the mama come dey sleep around. That a brother the Africa country. If papa confess sick. Because if he know, he can't open eyes still there. They touch what the woman they touch. He drink water where the woman touch. As the tradition first and demands, the oga go on. He confess as the sick, the first one, papa can't see head for that one. After I know sacrifice, he can't see head. The second one again. Then this time around, they come they fight for car. Car where picking brick, one collector. As the mama no know he left from Iran, ancestral tradition. First car where picking brick on family, since their generation, nobody don't get car before. Who suppose get her? Not be papa. If papa go they use a carry mama. If mama no green live, mama come they drag the car with the papa. After all, this time around, don't they sleep around. And as far as say that woman don't use that car, they carry men. Man, no tradition, no. This guy no why no marry for us. If not, teacher okay money. Now why should they run for us? Where she not marry them? She know why she run go Bini. Una say Bini get tradition. All these are where she they do. Now not they say now why marry for Bini. Una get tradition. Now this is the apple. They touch breast, touch this. Una go say waiting. Woman why marry go come Nigeria. Another man go pick her. You go stay another man as una so that get tradition. My Bini people are new. Uronic but people more na come. More na see how papa can't die. That car, after I know kwa, mama don't use the car, do a lot of things. Now papa can't enter the car, collect the car. For a papa to use waiting, mama take carry another man when bride price they ahead. That is a taboo. Thank you, mama, for the gift. That is a taboo in this land. Now the second ore come. As the ore come, now papa take first sick way, not survive the second time wait take die. After mama born 2 children for two different men before papa go marry mama as the fourth wife. This idiot of an illiterate. The mother was not the first. She wasn't the second. She wasn't the third. And when the mama called the family, the wife where mama meet called they die one after the other. Now wait till she be one do this he useless husband where he had not issue and made body the pepper. Now wait till she be one do this woman. The other women, some of their children call they cry for the eye. They are this thing called they cry for the eye. I'm telling you. None of the feast stay get the one where mama meet. Now so, before I use the work by the man, and before I buy the man, you know return bride prayer when you go Benin, go they do a shower. When you go Nigeria the first time, you say that Yahoo your mama they sleep with. You not say that Yahoo your mama they sleep with. If you they make up your mama they make up. You know even they help you back children, no they do anything. That is a shower block which you are still teaching your children right now. Now wait till you they teach them. You say till you die, you know, talk to me, good they kill you. May I see you for party? May I see you for party? Make I see you for party. You must talk. Now me go drag you come. I say this matter. This idiot now if I sagara, you go police station. If I sagara, you go run go police station. If the thing not they hit you as you claim today, why you they run go station? Why you they run go juju? If you know they hit you, why you they don't go the time my husband people they help me beg you? So if when they saga me, you get power to send out my information. Go give blogger. That time you contact the blogger. May go give a note. Why may give a note? May saga me. The same mumu contact me say you don't give out my information. It could be like say saga na wait till that time. They don't say me na husband they owe me. No, they don't free me for your matter. Why are you running? At the end, the saga, you can't fit send your Ashawo sister, make they go video mama for market. You know send a person, mama. I can't go bring your mama so come outside, you can't they cry. Be me I play your voice, no wait till they cry. Ah, this guy, he say nobody get. May I they play them? If you want make I they play them, may I they you go they shock for yeah. No, your voice notes. When you tell them, oh, you want John to beat me? Oh, Mona me beggar, may leave me. I don't get what I do you, but at least I bring your mama son come outside. I carry your shame at this race, come outside, say that your daughter, don't be your husband, get her. I make you cry, so say you they found one rescue you from my hand. Wait till that they do person rich. I make you dead traumatized, so say make way that they fuck you. Your cocobiri way they fuck you, I bring them come outside. Wait till you do me, I do you that mumu for inside. I bring the papa house come outside. He deny. I make am know say for the next like person carry matter go give you. You not go dare am. That one they run for my you don't know how many people don't come beg me for a matter. You yourself, this say me your pressure me don't call me beg me make I leave and beg. Say we be one. Now this say pressure me you don't see finish now the insult. This same pressure man when she dey saga today, don't beg me. Make I leave her. I'm telling you guys today, this non-entity. Now you carry friend go meet pressure man. Yes. The same day when you see pressure man, you beg me to follow you to that party. Me, I'm not a party type. Before I go party, no say maybe enough. And since when I even come, my children now don't they like for now to go party. Except say I know the person, I go try my best go. When you go pressure man party, not be yes man, you they call her. Where can't be said today? So my body will give you see finish say we be one. Because mommy pressure me observe her for one thing. If you be a son, she they look all of us say you be my sister, you be my brother. Now you can't carry sit down today, can't they turtle? You were born bastard where they find about dead there. Exactly dead there. Ghana ma dead there. Christian dead there. Different spam where from your first picking where they never see per party now. DIA not reach you bring come outside. You they come outside, the third person say you born bastard. Your mama born two bastard. Your mother gave birth to two bastard as a single mother of two. You still enter your papa, she was still flirting around and killed your father. You eat dirty non-entity, you say nobody reach you, rather what do you achieve? Your brother build that, you come there and answer for Facebook saying that your husband build that for your mama. These guys come they post that my husband build that for my mother. As he come reach Nigeria, he say house where he build. Man, I listen to some people back on you. Or you house where he build. Say he and the brother they drag on one open house. He no shock you. Now I say, if now you build us, how come your brother go they drag with you one open the house? He no shock on my people. My house now safe. I want open now. My brother now come down come say, now me and you want open house. Where for the happen if now me build the house? Lord, what my papa buy for me. Lay foundation. I build and finish. Then why just to come outside? Even though as I did now, my husband will marry me before I cannot open my house. Say I know the day. Not possible. No verse. Because that house, I don't know when I do them. If I will want to open the house, now me and I go. Say make it go there, go open my house. It's not done. I don't agree. No verse. You feel take us, yo. That is my opinion. Because if now when we know I let that foundation build everything, that is understandable. You they get my point? This guy now saying and the brother they drag for house who want open. Elders join the brother. Thank you for the gift. If not be your brother get that house, how come say you go come they drag house with her? Your first Nigeria, what is your sister show? Not be nyash, they call the shake. How they tell they do okbo? How they tell the shake nash now they show? Not be bed you sleep. From where they put for ground, not be you sleep. When you carry family go, Christian not see her stay. This is useless man not see her stay. He can't go rent hotel for Romy Stadium. He go rent hotel for Romy Stadium. You don't ever see husband not get as you can't carry money. If not be me can expose this girl for still they shout out today for TikTok. Now me build my husband build that for my mother. My husband build that for my mother. And then we can't even say the man papa has. Now all those mothers where be say they no grieve plaster with. Even though na 10 bag of cement, they no sit take plaster papa has. Then that kind of call it Bini. You go Romy. Rodanu beutu wa uzaga. You go build that for your mama. Say your mama if they fuck your mama. I don't know. My people make una see. That time this man never put money for head though. Even that married now. After I knock beg the man be no one even put money for head though. This also where they shall say on your marriage. When they'll turn and say, come abroad, for make and before you don't enter person husband, I not go here. He reached road that time. He say, what to make you marry this man? Say na car. Now they take fuck road. I can't give the man 3,000 €. Now money take carry married man. No. If you not hear the story where he say see the man, to they make check. Now money take carry the man 3,000 where he carry for meeting. Where he suppose give sister where he help and come. He can't carry give married man where senior mama. Say because the man they ride Audi, where and he ex-wife buy. Now sister carry. He no go better for your toto for money. He no go better for your toto for afternoon. He no go better for night. You go sit down, they call people basti. You yourself, you don't know your father. If I look the rest of the way your papa bond look you are different from them. Because why you don't know your father? You don't know your father. Any mother way feel use them your what take pipe your husband. Not the way not fit do. If you can carry your first pikin when your mama they beg everybody. May we know a beg, may not scatter your home. If they beg, or for instance, that's the way they say DNA. Your mama, they cry, they beg. You don't know what to do. May they beg, go. Not be take go my in-law house. May will not scatter your mother, say what they, your husband people say, may you go swear. The husband people say, may go swear for this thing where we they talk. Oh. This guy not talk and come and say, come by, they drag the man, come and dance. They say, may go swear, oh. Now mama they say na me they give you picky problem. Now I say God go punish you. When he go video my mama, they go arrest my mama on Mother's Day. Where were you? Where were you? You say I not fit do your mama anything. But I don't do your mama when make her they cry. I am her nightmare. I be your mama nightmare. Her so I open her to the world may see. I am your mama nightmare because I showed your papa grave I liberate her. Now me go video your papa grave when make una go remove that name and take show na papa spirit. Since when your papa die, why you dey fear to go see grave? This lunatic of a human being. You don't go your papa grave since when you go Nigeria. This is the third time. Have you gone there? Why are you scared of the grave? Why are you scared for your papa grave? If not be me, if I no know say your papa grave, you need to go check and you go. You go your papa grave. Papa died the trainer. Christian sweat phone. Christian phone. Now you they talk. It not go better for you. Now listen to the idiot of a human being. You they crazy, you they mad ni, you they mad ni. You go see that just the bragado for all this news and social media. They talk and I made that he say, who don't know you? Now they talk. When I go play on your record, now anybody go tell you, you idiot. You say you will not reach you. You don't feel rich, I don't trust woman. My mama no used to talk in my papa say I am your wa. Lie. I cannot be with an adulterous woman. You are an adulterous one at that. Your mother is a shameless single mother of three. The third man still used to aim your wa killer. After I born for two different men, the third one still use aim your wa killer. I said they talk your story. If it's sure for you, now only one man my mama born for. Yes, so my papa died 10 years now they go, so he's still there. She's still there, my father's house. She's there. So the mention said they want to arrest the mama, now you they cry. You say we not fit do anything to your mama. Mona, listen, I mama they beg. My son, I don't know what my daughter do. Oh, you're back, send out Jimmy, send on the voice note to Jimmy. I want, I don't know canal. Now she come quickly down and say, I did live video, na live video for the talk and now he could be jaja. You want to no, I just say make I enter TikTok. Oh. Sorry, what is it?
Let me talk up.
I'm coming. See that. See my son though. You don't display. Hey, Papa. You are displaying already. Ta. No go to you and the socket. I use God beg you. No carry me go where I don't know. I they call my people. He say, he go, if pressure may arrest the mama, he go make sure say he enter Shpaka say go carry money. Jobless woman. Jobless adoro woman. One enter Shpaka say go carry money. Pressure may where they work, where everybody know say they work. He say whether na 2,500 away pressures make the mommy pressure make they receive. Whether na you want to do case with her, it no shock you. Person wey be say if not be TikTok shop click on the orange basket, she for no fit buy ticket. Even that ticket, he no fit pay 700 finish. For last 3 December, now he supposed go Nigeria. He can't go ship the ticket come May before he fit pay finish 50 euro every month. Person wey be say if not be TikTok shop that you not go work, you go work for Amazon, you thief for they no catch you. Why they banned you for Amazon? Tell the word. Why they banned you for Amazon? Ole buruku. You still even go pressure me party, go thief cooler of rice, thief drink joiner. Thief why you thief for Amazon, no issue. You can't go thief joiner. Now your husband salary not reach 2,000. You they laugh woman. Woman they receive 2,500 for abroad. If they said the woman say whether na 2,500 anyway they jobless. They tell another woman say whether na 2,500 where you they receive. Now you want to do case with me. If I not get money, I go borrow. Say on Nigeria case, you don't need to borrow. When the woman where go say arrest my mama, when he see case, she run. I carry 3 million, I put her for grand bakara. I saw ya come. Police from Abuja move. Now flights they take come and those states come find her sister come they run a task getter. You know, he not tell you I take change the ticket. And I don't know when I tell they run. No, if you come back to Canada when you come my place. Not be a bad bragada. I be small picky. If I want to arrest your mama, one thing where I want to know. If the person will go arrest mama, at the end case hit and back. Do you know why? She did not even tell them what she did. Now voice tracker when mama takes sweat for generation. When he sees that mama won't finish with voice tracker, now he go give police say my mama the threatening life. He not tell police say he go video my mama house. Now if he arrest mama, you can't just wake up and arrest somebody this Monday if you don't have any proof where you carry come. And if you are talking about case both in Nigeria and abroad, depend not go do illegal case with person like me, oh. Because at the end, you go pay for damages tire. Mostly if I catch you, say you did Nigeria. That is why if I want to do case, I like to go to Abuja. That know they sabi do Bini. I know they agree. Because once I hold you, I put money for grant. Not that money to bribe anybody. I will make sure I do it legitimately, professionally, so that very dark man not they use big money because they do case now. Write your petition, lawyer submit it. Yes, of course. If not within there, if not for them to come arrest the person, you pay for the transportation. If not flights, you pay for the flights. You don't they cry now, say they want to arrest the mama. Nobody say I don't fit do your mama something. Why your mama can't they beg? Only I me call your mama and they say yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. My son, no, let me tell her me leave my daughter alone. Now like they lie, my daughter not they talk to me. You say you know they talk to me, you pass me, but you they go station anytime when I beat you. You non-estical elements. Una where they this to me, I tell her today. You wait they give this girl but this see finish. Now so tomorrow you will still take beat you no level. If mommy pressure may not give you body see finish. I'm not sure say you dare come outside they talk to her like that. Yes, of course. Not be everybody that they you see my leg. I mean, they say my leg. I know they once I observe you, this one to cause person, you know they had. Hardly before I give you body see finish. Because those children where their mama not trained, once you give them see body finish, now once that they can't cause you, you say you know they can't. When you did different comment section for Facebook, they say, I have a story, I have a story. You not remember, do me and do you God, not the verse. I don't come to you now. You they say nobody ever get my voice tracker. Nobody ever get my this. Nobody ever get your that. You will remain husband snatcher. And nothing can change that. You will remain a crier. Nothing can change that. They put life for where your leg reach. I want belong. You don't go at the Murphy wife side. You don't go and start talk TV show. No blogger, a presenter where you never want me go with. At the end, you know they work. At the end, it's not working. Anyone will give you body symphony. When tomorrow will come, now bear go the ring put. If not, your open man they cause mommy pressure men like this. The rest people that they drag you since then, you know they both thought today. If you never me, you know they both. But immediately person give you body symphony. Now you get that mind like this. Get that mind like this. Sit down, they cause them. Which is true. So now why they and I'm on land. Any picking will not get character. Not be everybody that they give a body finish. If it sound like he has made a thought already they run. Because the mommy pressure may give you some more space now. May you give her. Even this mommy pressure may this girl don't manipulate and so they can't even first saga mamati. This idiot of a girl. Now you the saga today. Now they say this mommy pressure may you the saga today. Anybody where just see from Mama T platform, he won't die. He know they feel resistant. Mostly if you are the person fed do friend before. Mostly if you are the person fed do friendship before, you go one mate. You go one mate. But these same people, you feel manipulate them, make the saga this woman. When they come see say now you be the liar, people they bring proof come. They're best now. You can't they cry. Just tell them why you call the saga mommy pressure man. Because you felt like giver, make it saga this woman before. Even the mumu na mumu. That one not first saga this woman as well. Now it make you get me say, if he talk or fit cousin, you say you with the talk to you. God that will be you. You will be rag. You wait they wear one for your husband, they wear one shoe for 10 months, you know they change them. You non-entity.
Wait, Oyaba. Oyaba.
I dey hear you.
What you make brother they saga your TikTok shop? You say the
I
one
tell
way
you,
they
say
mean.
if I do TikTok shot, this girl the report and you never know. That TikTok shot the pepper am. And you know, say that so if I go they do
What the thing?
everything.
When the thing when she talk, not only that TikTok show, na me pay for it. So what it happen? Not be everybody they say for this TikTok show. What it can happen? Be like say you can't bring your.
Papa get TikTok shot, bro.
Because
Yeah. This is jealousy.
the thing,
Go enter person.
my sister, upon the thing when she dey talk for that person, say, not only that TikTok shop, let me just stay for inside because why you just they go on this woman page? You say that the one when they remain, now you they take. I don't understand.
They work for
Now you buy for person. You say that the one when they remain, now we they take. Since when they do for TikTok shop. Okay, every day you dey this woman live video. The day when you tell them say, men are they buy something for me for TikTok shop, men are they help me they click that link. Okay, what thing you go they cry? Joyous can't beg you for social media. They can't beg you tell you say in they hungry. I be can't tell you say when you give her food. Not only that place I pick all these things when she dey talk about those one, but you see that TikTok shop when you talk say, I beg, we don't wed. My sister, you be winch oh, you be real winch Me say, wetin this woman dey talk say, be like say you dey report at TikTok shop. Me say na truth because wetin come be say if you and this person no dey talk, everything about this person life, you dey always dey come outside, come dey notice am. You dey always dey come outside, come dey check am wetin they do about this thing. Rather forget azen work ni azen we better azen or better azen work ni better plans. Because you know if you tell me say everybody they fly our own, everybody they do at TikTok shop, everybody they do all in things for this TikTok shop. No be you get this for this woman. No be you help her open TikTok shop. At the end of the day, for all the talk when you talk, not only that point I pick say nobody don't follow Joyous buy something. Say no see all the remedy when you keep when they don't drop, now they go. Okay, wait, my sister, before you reach where you there today. My sister,
wait. If brother want to now TikTok show me and you want to do competition, be rather what is your waiting you be your occupation for this journey? Rather, Nigeria, what have you put down? Say this is what I have. This same rather now. That's why I say manage the be where the man they be carry the man go roam. Made now that they manage.
Because my sister, I didn't fear this roader today. Oh, my sister, I fear you because I don't understand. You are person no they talk. You just all the talk when you don't they talk. You only talk say at TikTok show nobody they buy. Me say every blessed I even see you now. I see you for here. You did live video, but you did watch am. I see you just now. I see you say you did here. Which kind life your life you don't feel sit down for one. You say this woman, you know they talk to you don't drop her. You say you drop her. You say you don't drop her. You drop this woman, now you they go police station. Now you they go police station every blessed day. If this woman don't talk like this, you go wrong. If the son got too much, you go wrong, go police station. You go to the right police station. If you should say you drop this woman, you should say you win this woman. If don't be say what you do. Now I see say you don't come outside road that. You they talk say because they say they want bring your mama, they want report, they want use police arrest your mama. You see how you take mad come outside. You see and say you don't fit take him again. You see what you do Joyous 220 for Facebook. I be 220. I be 223. When you go they show people Joyous mama house. You see and say you know fit take her. You even the feeling of a mother you know fit take her. You see her when this woman talks say you want go arrest your mama. You see how you take road come outside. You know. I believe say your husband don't day house. I believe say if woman say your husband go say no go.
The man guys say that one wait you don't kick you up there.
Why would you for Joyous see? Because you know if you can't take her. The thing when you do, even for Facebook, you say anybody when they need Joyous mama house. Anybody when need Joyous mama house, I dare you to share that for I go give you. But they just talk her. They just talk her. Me say, oh Joyous go don't give many people for your this thing, or even your address for this thing. You go don't get donation for different states, for different states. For different states, you go don't get donation. For different states, you go don't get donation. Because if if this thing will happen today now, you don't feel resistant because of your mama. Joyous mama na what is the role for you? But I been another place. I don't quit.
My mama will not be at that trust. Where be say stay as my house and your way, papa.
Because Joyous, I don't lie for you. Do this when I say for this road that matter.
It's just the paper for body.
Hey, God bless you.
Now
If you don't say you say
cry. Where mama say?
he say now because of say that one get people for Nigeria when they want to the arrest. Okay, because say you say Joyous the address is all those were Joyous no user. Oh yeah, but Joyous no user nine soldier call your mama. Now your mama conde talk say my pikin. Joyous get the record there. Oh yeah, they just they keep some kind of commode. Because he get the record when they call her for Abuja, when they tell her say my pikin. Rather, you know if you can't take her, the half of it when you do Joyous 223, I be 223. The thing when you do for Facebook, when everywhere where you go, you're gonna enter everybody bloggers page they go. They talk say if you need Joyous address, I go give you. But they just talk her for TikTok now. They just talk and say if anybody, the woman just call Joyous say, give me wrong that mama address. See how you just run come aside. I get it, yo. Be Asian people now be winch. Some Asian people now be winch true. When say you they give this woman, you know if you can't take half of it. You know if you can't take the pin of it. You carry this woman, mama come as even for your market. You go tell them say they go video in mama house. You dey go video that woman dey inside market. They video mama, but your mama leg, because you say you don't see her say Joyous don't bring the mama leg, bring her come outside. You see where me be like say sometimes when I get mama, na no value one. When we not even get mama, I get papa. As in sometimes they resist some kind of thing when they do some mama for this social media, I'll say as they're supposed to pour spit for their body because you do Joyous 223. They carry and go different platform. Go even they don't go give you money just to bring Joyous down because of see Joyous they get multiple view. People they call Joyous. It still they pepper your body. But say Joyous still come TikTok now. See they do artists they go. See they do at TikTok shop they go. You see make sure today say now your remedy now Joyous they take. Rhoda now for there I fear you. Oh yeah, but as they working, I get person when I they wait for now. I just get one person when I they wait for. That person, see, me I don't even fit get address when they will fit talk. The person know me reach house. And they will make that person just make that person call your name for your platform. I go tell you say all the history of that, even for our family, nobody if we fit do a show. We not fit get person we do a show for this Europe before. Nobody my dad carry me come. I get brothers for this Europe. I get my sister for this Europe. Now that day I go tell the person say all the history of that person. I just they wait because the person they enter your life video every time. I just they wait. Maybe the person go you can say I know her. You understand me now? You at the end of the day, your frustration. See your mama leg. You see your mama leg. At the end of the day, Joyous do and I make us can't go house. You can't go upload your mama. You never before upload your mama leg before
mama, you know this as equal. No regbe. Mama no feel
set. You now?
Mama cannot share.
You never upload your mama. You never upload your mama. Now Joyous bring your mama come TikTok. If not be Joyous, bring your mama leg come TikTok. Bring your mama when they bury your papa come TikTok. Nobody know whether your mama get a leg pay before. But when you come see and say, now this leg, now Joyous say they beat you every day. As you reach us, when you reach us, now you go upload and come inside. But inside the uploading or everything, people still keep her. They will keep her for you. They will still keep her for you tomorrow.
Mama take I'll keep her. You not go better for your mama. So my people, now the team on a double tap and share the live screen. Now the cocoa be that one. Where they see mama. See mama, even that Corolla where mama can't dey drive. Now this his brother can't do am he can't buy him because of car mama buy papa. Now because of kind married person husband. That one not be generational cause. That one not be generational cause. He said, I tell you this thing. If I do TikTok shop video, this guy will feel important till daybreak. You know they go viral. If they go viral before, I can't tell my sister say, "I know that they do this thing. I know what she fit do." Because when I dey post the picture for Facebook that time, Rhoda no dey sleep till daybreak. He go dey there. She as soon as see and say they
No,
leave.
Rhoda, they day your life. Even Joyous as a day life, it don't day
He
here.
go dey watch me. Cannot stay. I will be at home. I will traumatize her. She go dey leave. They dry. She go dey leave. They dry. It's a promise I made her. Which
I see her now. She just enter. I see Rhoda this thing. This thing. Invite. I see her just now. Why you not feel they stay your own?
I'm not a regular. If they do it to other people when you see finish.
He said no one gather beat her.
No, one gather beat her. Be one woman upon with proof. You dey craze? Now today they beat you, they go where they cry. When I beat you 1 week, you know if you come outside. Now today, not be as they could use a lot.
Sister, if na me be if na me be that sister, mommy precious make now, I go to arrest him, mama. Cause I want me, cause if a person like me, I go show and say, may you show your this thing.
Not be Jamie, yes she did. Now Jamie, mommy pressure me, they live my West example only. This guy come up for a city, come video my house for Jamie, yeah, give blogger. I come snap and zoom my room, give blogger. Make the taste agami. The person come meet me, say, in the need. If he do you anything you want, donation, come to me, I will give you a full details. But the new house, I will give you, I know they talk a hide now. Same thing she did to me. For person to drive, come up for a city, go snap my window, snap my door. Go give bloggers. Go video my mama. Then you come say you if he do you anything, chat me for message. May I give you the information. So donation, not a donation. You there, man?
She don't even. You should know whether you don't even get donation for different country now.
Not you never know. She not go tell them that they donation me that time. Not be what she they do. So why are you not talking? What the person do me? They do understand.
Rhoda, okay, they hot and I pepper you. I swear to God,
but they pepper and don't die. They confess for Kobo.
He say you want to arrest my mama. You want to arrest my mama. You want to arrest my mama. See everybody they pepper you. But you do Joyous.
If I want to deal with your mama this time around, he go see me koro. Now what I go do your mama? And if I want one, nobody go stop. You know just to say my son and my husband they stop me. If I don't go slap your mama for that room.
All your young babo. Even she saw those
what I go do your mama? I go take koro. I go display your mama give you. They'll send you the video. Now what I go do your mama? He said I want go give back the boys money. Make them go beat person mama. See us.
Not be that one, master. He say how many years now you don't hold the address, whether you fit do anything. Even the second one, the one when I thief her husband, whether one don't hold the address.
Now your mama they cry, now they beg me I leave you. What I don't do you don't know.
If Mama T don't use this get a show example, he go don't leave Mama T tete. He go don't leave that woman.
As Mama T come out, why in they run now? That one don't come out for her now. Why in they run? Nana, no one answer again. Nana, no one answer.
I don't tell Mama T. I even jump there.
Begin my video.
All these boys they cost Mama T there for yesterday. I even jump the videos. True say that they cost that woman true. But I just pass and beg, you know, concern me. Because they cost that woman, they cost and when Mama T they come they cost.
Because he cost me for a monkey, I go carry their mama. Don't say about their siblings, so. I don't say their baby mama. I go display on a so no, don't pay for all of them. Come out for this. They don't know that if person come and say you want to enter this fight, don't spiritually I'll face you. My part and a part don't pass physical, don't enter spiritual. If you say you don't want to, talk to me, send me on a gay issue. Now your baby mama, your sister, your ex-boyfriend of your baby mama, I go drag all of them and go tear them for this title. I don't talk my own. This my matter and matter. Evil kick don't talk, they don't tire. Headers don't talk, they don't tire. Police don't tire for Jamie. So if you not say your head, they whack. One person will if I do that thing, I keep all your family record. I don't save your mama. If you repeat her again, you go not say Mommy John a mad person. I'll tell you say my grace ahead. Man, I try am. Try am. When you join and enter the saga, now I not go get your time, but your baby mama after the beat, I go the beat it for inside house. After the beat, I go the beat it for inside house. Try am.
That one with baby mama. When baby mama get
that one will be like that one. So try am. You know they use it direct, but you never mention my name. If I hear you talk to me that way, if I not find you go your village as I do know that mama, you know call me Joyous. I go bring your village come outside for this people. No, I know where you for come. If Nairu are for there, I go carry your picture. I go send a give Okada. Don't give me your papa house. Now me go do. Ask them. Mumu. Let me bring the papa house. Come outside. Ask. Why baby father scatter all of them? Ask. I know they fight battle run. Now battle they run for me. Make I hear pain. Say you come outside. She they useless. I say what did she do me? Whether don't do your mama that time you talk. If you do me,
guys, I mean I pull off and like for this video.
I go carry your mama beat and make you feel what my mama feel. Now they crazy.
Oh yeah, my sister tell me today. See, I wrote that just come outside. I don't do makeup. I don't do makeup. My sister, you don't do makeup, but see, about that game, me have to make that barrier.
Forget it. If you don't like this, you just is all year born. If you don't like this,
sister, me when even see no road that forget so. I don't use cream. If I come outside, you come outside. Forget. They talk say because say you they say I be small picking. Yeah, small picking go give you pay. My sister forget what you know what you want give precious me pay.
Jama the romance impress or husband present na small.
They talk say small picking small picking go give you pay. Since when they talk say may you go do test of your picking, you never both go do. Even the person when knows you, the person when knows you even still come and say can't talk. That one come outside. The day when be like say they record your mama, where your mama they talk say you want spoil my pikin or make I invite my sister. I don't invite you, my sister come. When my sister they come outside, come they greet you. You not talk.
We go make the guy go do video say na come outside.
I just talk. Make Zadi come out for this matter with because if you not see no go hot. All this stuff when I want they use it direct when they talk is Zadi just and with the Zadi. But I say I know you just enter her so. Cast Christian, for our family, we know they fear anybody, but I respect we just respect person.
What do you want?
Bego, all those one when they do. If you go video person for my house, now that they want to return the energy for you, say you just stand up.
You
cry, you know if you stand. Esa ka pete yo. Wakalume egede the job or whatever. You don't me want to choke for your eye. And that time your clitoris can't come outside. See how your clitoris, all your brain they show for clitoris. See how it don't come outside. But when you do 2023, when you send to blogger, just when you send to blogger, you don't remember say what you do joyous. You know why this will they vex me now? Because say I know this story. I know this story, but see this woman just come outside and talk say, I need water, my man number. I want go arrest her for ESCC. See how you take him outside. But you remember, the same woman, Joyous mama, you will go video this one, they sell something for market. You send people go, they pay you. You go even video him, mama. Even the day when that woman was the Ghana market, the day when this woman they goes in the Ghana market, when I see go there, go video him, mama. Go video the mama. Go video the papa grave. At the end of the day, you because of say precious men just they don't even to say they want go even video your papa grave now. They just still say they want go arrest your mama. See how you run come outside. You carry this apron will be like they wear for head. See how you they run come outside. Anybody when any precious snake. You because say you get person for Abuja. You because okay you know say precious snake get person for Abuja. We be like say they go carry your mama. Nah. Say you tell say you go carry the video. Go give a Wortoworto. Oh go back kiss you.
Okay, go kill you.
You say no go see this matter.
They go do your
this
mama.
Precious man matter. I mean no one just bright this matter.
Go kill you.
Wortoworto go kill you. You don't forget 223. What you do just for Facebook.
Go kill you.
You don't forget. That your page. That your page. Don't feel come for. Just what would now make that your page don't feel come for the 21,000 so because you use that page to do evil. You understand now? You use that page to do evil. You come outside and you just shake like pig that pig. But the day when you carry Joyous mama carry on social media, you carry this woman but now you know the value of mama. Roda Ekbudu, you know the value of mama. Say mama dey special. Now you make Ogumba no go kiss you, brother. If you say you dey swear, you come in person like me. brother, I say go back and I go kiss you. You carry person mama for
Mama,
mama.
why they
I go dey
say
video
so?
mama.
Your
Nah,
mama they take to
Joyous now. Nah, no be blood they come out for Joyous body. No
Oh,
be
good
blood.
to your mama Pauline, I go do. Your toto go remember they preach all the days of the Lord.
These people, I feel now. The energy when they give people for the social media, if person return the energy, now all of them go they cry. The precious person never even he just stop saying, "Give me mama number." Now you don't rock come outside. You never feel bath this morning. I believe you never bath this morning. You never bath this morning. You say just won't carry your apron, carry entire live video. They talk say, precious man, you say you want to arrest mama.
He said not the answer us. He said not the answer us. Say he don't leave us.
He know they answer you, but he didn't call your name today.
I screen record now. He will say one duke. Me I the screen record. Me wait no say. I just said that TikTok. I just say. I get what I come and maybe other what we come. Me
we screen record. Me you been on me. Okay, say we are picking now. Me we screen record. Me that your particular your place. He give enemy pay for Facebook. He don't give you pay state.
That woman still call go police. Why you dey beg people make they beg me?
You say you give this woman pay, but you know you dey run go.
You dey run for your pay. Come on.